welcome to Traf Talk TV. It's party time as networking takes a new turn in Delhi.
This is very simple and very clear. We want people to let their hair down after all the hard ways networking they've been doing over Satay, and to enjoy, mingle and maybe conduct a little bit of business. And we have decided that since everybody's paying, so we have only like-minded people and serious people who are going to come and mingle with the buyers and sellers. You know, do some business if they want to. It's not a necessity. And dance and have fun.
A large number of the networking parties that you do attend is generally all about speeches and boring, and I have seen more than half the people not interested. So we wanted to create a fun element where people come, various travel agents from various backgrounds, various people from various backgrounds, from various states of India, and as well as people from Turkey and Singapore. I mean, we've got a whole lot of people who come in here, and I can see that they want to drink and have fun and talk to each other and exchange business, and that's much better way than actually doing the regular stuff.
The reason behind is we're just networking with party, because in all these organizations and all, and the parties, we basically meet and just social greet and all. But over here, we have a new concept: a party, get friends, and then do business, because it's more comfortable to get business with friends and all. Because after 2 drinks, the person becomes much close friend.
What I personally feel is that there's a revolution happening in the trade, in the travel trade in particular, and there are a lot of young people coming on board.
The best part is a lot of friends here, have networked very well in the last 2-3 years, and I give very few people credit for this who have actually organized this. And the advantage is that most of the tour operators from Delhi and Bombay who actually mean business today are here. So I think it's a great opportunity, and I thought the Nijavan group should definitely be a part of this. At the end of the day, it's my extended family.
We thought it's a good place where there are a lot of high-profile people going to come in after Satay, and yet going to be a very select kind of a crowd. So we are quite happy to participate with them over here.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Traf Talk TV. But do stay connected for more.